Good morning. Okay, we're living on a prayer right now, hoping this is recording where I want it to. We're making coffee. I need to get a little water in my cup first. Okay, and I'm using the Nescafe Gold again, but I ended up getting the decaf one. I don't think I'm actually I know I'm not really addicted to the caffeine in the morning. I feel like coffee's more of a habit. And I like the flavor. I like something to sip on that's not just water. And I do sip on water in the morning. 6. Okay, do 6 half teaspoons. So it's basically 3 heaping teaspoons. But I do feel like my caffeine intake is awfully high these days. So I just feel like I might as well get used to lowering it before if hoping in the next year we get pregnant, I don't want to have to feel like I'm cutting everything cold turkey, so, which again, I really, I'll have some mornings where I don't even touch my coffee until 9 o'clock, I'm really fine. Once I get ready for the day, I'm just awake, right now, I'm just awake, I'm fine, I don't need coffee, but I just like it, so I think the decaf is going to be good, as long as it tastes similar. I don't really care about the caffeine at all. Okay, I'm gonna add some unsweetened almond milk. Just go about halfway. And then I do just a couple splashes of the Chobani sweet cream. There we go. And back in with my little frother thingy. This just kind of helps get it mixed together. I love making this coffee though because it's so fast in the mornings. So that's really why I enjoy it the most, honestly, and it's cheap. It really does make a difference in your grocery bill when you're not having to buy Nespresso pods and K-cups constantly. So that is coffee. I'm just gonna add some ice and that's ready to go. Okay, this is my official lunchbox today. I'm bringing a Chobani lemon yogurt, the Light and Fit yogurt, or what am I trying to say? The Light and Fit lemon yogurt is so freaking good. I just discovered it, and now apparently it's seasonal and it disappears in August, and now I can't find it, so I got that one. We'll see if it's similar. I'm bringing a Chomps sea salt and a LaCroix, which honestly, LaCroix in comparison to my store brand, not as good, but we're trying to get through these. So bringing that, keys, coffee, water, and we're ready to go. Okay, I was gonna try to film this on the back camera. I'm still filming from my phone because my camera won't turn on. So I was gonna try to film on the back camera because it's so much better quality. This just looks terrible. I don't know what it is with the new iPhones, but I swear the cameras are getting worse, not better. I filmed on my channel for the first 2 or 3 years on YouTube just for my phone alone. And sure, the quality back then was different, but I don't know. I just don't remember ever being oh my gosh, this is terrible. I just this looks bad. Okay, finally some better lighting. I am gonna film this part with my front camera because I just feel like I need to see. My hair looks crazy. I just threw in some Just Bare chicken nuggets. These are the spicy bites. 3 ounces is 160 calories, 16 protein. I'm doing 4.4 ounces. Just weighed those out before I threw them in there. So I'm just gonna have that. And I just had some, okay, sorry about that. I had some of these tortilla chips and a few bites of the Trader Joe's Cowboy Caviar. Probably had 4 or 5 tablespoons of that. 4 or 5 chips worth. Delish. And now I'm just having a Polar Cranberry Lime Seltzer. I really like these. I also like my store brand, but I do like that this one is cranberry lime. My store brand just has like one note, so it's like orange or lime or lemon. They don't have like combo flavors. And Polar goes on sale a lot at my store. So having that, I'm gonna put these chips away. I'm just gonna have those nuggets. And then I was hoping to find some stuff that I was like, oh yeah, I can make lunch out of that, which is sad because I do feel like I do have like a lot of things in here. But like nothing's calling my name. And I keep seeing videos of people making like pinwheels, like roll up pinwheel lunch things, and that is sounding good. But then I would have to go to the store, and I already feel like we've gone to the store. We went on Saturday, and then I picked up a little Walmart haul yesterday, which wasn't very expensive, but I'm just tired of going to the store. And I also want to save money, so, well, save money when we have stuff to eat at home, but honestly, we kind of don't. Like I have vegetables and I have hash browns, but I don't really have protein. I don't have any tuna. I don't have any chicken breast. I don't have any like turkey or anything. So I don't know. I'm going to figure that out because I need to bring my lunch the rest of the week. But we'll figure that out later. I'm going to wait for my chicken to cook and we'll catch up in a minute. Okay, super exciting lunch. I have my 4.4 ounces of the chicken nuggets. I have some Bolthouse Farms ranch and some Bolthouse Farms honey mustard. I give this like a 6 or 7 out of 10. Like it's growing on me. It's not instantly my favorite, but it's definitely growing on me. I'm in a honey mustard phase though, and this is like the best calorie bang for your buck. So having a little of both, not together. I mean, I know they're touching, but like not together necessarily. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and head back to the office. Actually 900 million degrees out, so that's awesome. Need to cool this car off. Stat. I'm headed back to work. I was trying to have some pineapple to finish off my lunch and I couldn't get the container open. It's like one of those store-bought like pre-cut containers. Couldn't get it open. So gave up on that. However, I didn't have a Coke or anything today. I am gonna have an Alani. So I had decaf coffee and no Coke Zero today. And I'm just gonna have an Alani. So that's my one caffeine of the day. Where does it say caffeine content? I don't know. 200 milligrams of caffeine and 0 grams of sugar. So I'm gonna have that when I get back to the office. It's already sweating and I've been out here for 0.5 seconds. So I will see you guys later. Hey y'all, I am home. I literally got here and changed immediately into my comfies. So I'm gonna heat up dinner. Morgan won't be home for another like 45 minutes, but he said he's good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat without him. And I'm just having leftovers from last night. Don't we love when that happens? I sure do. I don't know why all my cabinets are open. So this is tortellini with a red sauce that we actually get. Okay, Morgan's from Shreveport. They have a restaurant there called Mangiuni's. It's like Italian. We always get their sauce when we're in town because it's so good. They jar it. It's so good. It's super sweet. So if you like a really sweet, like red wine style marinara, I mean, this is the sweetest marinara you'll ever have, but it's only like 80 calories per half cup. It has such good ingredients. But anyways, we found it at Walmart in the like Louisiana/Cajun section, which is crazy. So we've been buying the crap out of it. We've already bought like 4 jars and we found it like 2 weeks ago. Maybe like 4 weeks ago. Anyways, I also bought this like massive 4-pound thing of tortellini by accident on our like grocery app. I didn't realize I was buying the massive one, but it has come in handy because it cooks up so quickly in boiled water. It takes like 5 minutes to cook no matter how much you're making. And it has just been a staple dinner for us lately. I think I made it twice last week and then just once this week, but I am gonna do like that much tortellini, and I'm gonna heat that up, and I'm gonna make a Caesar salad with this just like Walmart market side Caesar salad kit. I had some of that yesterday, so I'm gonna add that, and then I'll probably have a slice of bread and then leave a slice for Morgan. So that is dinner tonight. Kind of hard to judge the calories because I didn't like weigh it or anything, but the tortellinis are 220 calories per cup. I would say this is probably like a cup and a half to 2 cups of it. Hard to tell. And then probably like a half cup of the sauce. And then this has some hot Italian sausage. So all together with the salad, my meal is probably going to be between like 600 or 700 calories. Maybe I should skip the bread. I'm trying to like get back and like hit it. So maybe we'll skip the bread tonight. I need to look at how many calories I have left because I didn't track the Trader Joe's salsa, the caviar, cowboy caviar. So we need to track that with like 5 chips, and then, which I did count. And then I did have that protein shake earlier. I had an Alani, which was 200 milligrams of caffeine, and I Googled it and it said a safe amount of caffeine while pregnant. I'm not pregnant. But we're looking to get pregnant in the next year, you know, or sooner, but soonish. And so I'm just trying to kind of get ready, and so I don't feel like I have to change my whole life the second I get pregnant. Just trying to prepare. So I was watching my caffeine intake today, which normally I would have a full coffee, Diet Cokes, and an Alani, which is, I calculated earlier, it's like 550 calories, or not calories, milligrams of caffeine. The recommended amount, or like the safe amount during pregnancy, according to Google, correct me if I'm wrong, is like 200 milligrams, which is the exact amount in one Alani. So I did have an Alani today because I needed something, but I would like to get off of the Alani, or at least do like the minis, go back to the minis, which I was on for a while, but they're hard to find in the flavors I like. That's the annoying thing. But anyways, that's my spiel about the caffeine, just trying to lower it a little bit and pick like 1 caffeinated beverage a day instead of 3 and like multiples. So I'm gonna eat up my tortellini and I will show you my dinner once it's done. Just trying to do like tablespoon, a little less. That, about like 1/3 of the croutons, and about 1/3 of the dressing. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna skip the bread for tonight. I'm gonna put this away, and this is my final plate. Yum. And if I want more tortellini, I can always have it, but honestly, it's so filling. I think this is gonna be perfect with the extra salad tonight. Yum. All right, y'all, Morgan just got home with a thing of roses on a Tuesday. Random Tuesday roses.
Yeah, just on a random Tuesday.
So sweet. They smell amazing. I love this color. We're like obsessed with this color. How cute is that? That's so sweet. I was like not expecting that at all. And then I was like, I'm filming today. I get to show the vlog.
That was not planned.
Yeah, not planned. He didn't know I was filming. He's been out of town all day. That's just so sweet. So I finished dinner. I didn't have any more than what I showed y'all. I cleaned up a little bit. I'll find a vase for that in a minute, but cleaned up the kitchen just from...
Looks good.
Thanks, Boo. Just from today's eats, and started a load of towels. I'm trying to get better at like doing like a load of laundry or 2 throughout the week, because I feel like on Sunday, no matter how early I start, we can never finish like towels, work clothes, workout, and like relaxing clothes. Our sheets we wash every Sunday, so just like don't have enough time, especially because sheets and bedding can take longer. So I'm like, okay, if I can do like 1 load like on a Tuesday and a Thursday, start to finish, Sunday should be a breeze. So I'm gonna try to adopt that habit, and I threw in some towels today. So wash those. I'm gonna find a vase for these stunning flowers. Which vase should I use is the question. I kind of want to use my white one, which I think is in the front room. But yeah, and now I'm just watching, I think her name is Jennifer Madison. She's like the 75 hard queen. Yeah, Jennifer Madison. Okay, sorry, Jennifer. You're just on pause. That's not the best pause face. But yeah, I'm just watching her. Morgan just got home, so we're going to hang out a little bit and catch up with you guys either later or this will be the last clip. So this is the last clip. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here and hanging out with me just on a realistic, random day of eating. And I hope you stick around because there will be a lot more videos coming soon. So I'll see you then.